thing that besides the wind, the thing that's the biggest surprise for me is how fucking cold it is. Shit.
Yeah,
and it's got the sign in right there, Federal Aviation Administration. You see the towers. I mean, this place looks freaking.
Only people that would really know about it are people like us that search.
Yes.
And the people that live around here.
Oh, this is just.
But you see, everybody else is like passes it by.
And I don't think nothing of it. Oh, dude, this is just no shit. Fuck. Oh my, this fucking home run. Oh my god. There's not a fence. There's not a gate. There's nothing.
No, it's all open.
Jesus Christ. Let's go closer to the radar facility. Hold it. Hold on. Let me get some pictures. That's good right there.
Stop at the stop sign.
Alright, hold on. Let's get this shot. Alright. Oh, shit. Dude. Oh, I'm going to fly right down the street. You know what? It's windy, but I think it's flyable.
It's not, look at the trees are hardly moving.
Yeah.
Look at, you got like fucking.
Oh, God, this is good.
The old, like housing.
Oh, my God.
Like full houses over there.
Fucking way. Oh, shit. I'm rolling video. Some video of this.
You want to drive up there?
Yeah, yeah.
Or do you want to go straight?
Whichever.
Yeah, it's not that windy up here.
No. Well, we got this is.
That's what I figured, because we're kind of like in the hills.
Auditorium. I had an auditorium out here. Look at that. Actually, I had an auditorium for the people here. Fucking squirrel. Still got guardrails. No way! I don't believe this. Holy crap! Oh, there's people here. It's active. So the radar facility's active. Look at that! It's gated and everything. Holy crap! That's exciting. How sneaky! It feels like it's so that building's active. So there's people in there. That's great.
I know what they're doing.
They're doing their radar. That's a radar facility. So this whole facility isn't open, but the radar shit is. So I suggest we don't come up here and cause trouble. We stay down there and shoot shit. Because there's plenty of stuff to shoot down there. True that?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll never notice us down there. Of course, it'd be funny when the radar picks up our drones and go, oh no, what's that? They have their own water. Well, not there anymore, but.
Look at the yellow flowers.
Jesus. Sneaky too. Did you see all of that fucking bob wire and metal? It's like it was a fortress. That was cool. You probably already saw us because the cameras. They probably have cameras there. Up there, not just. I don't think there's any down
here. See if there's any like cameras on poles down here.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I mean, you would figure if they were that restrictive, they would have it fenced and
well, it'd be gated
down at the bottom.
Yeah. Well, I guess they figure they don't give a shit until you get right up to the.
Yeah, as long as you don't mess with the radar shit.
Yeah. And I just fly through the town.
So this would be like the old guard shack, I'm assuming, to get up into the radar area. Dude, even like come here and play fucking paintball.
Yeah. Well, This is a perfect scenario for drone assassin. You'd have people like that, they live here, you have it lit up at night. This is just as good as, oh God, this is too good to be true. All right, I say we pick a spot.
Well, over here there's an open parking lot.
Okay. There you go. Looks like a drone spot. Looks like a landing field to me.